Today's assignment involves a worksheet called Investing in Product Research. So make sure that you read these directions carefully, that you are going to choose a product, but you are not going to research the product. You're just going to talk about how to research the product. So let's look at this really quickly. You're going to say, what product are you researching? So again, your choices are a smartphone, a prom dress, or tuxedo, and a turkey dinner for 8 people. So you're choosing one of those items and you're going to write that in right here. Next, you're going to identify two information sources to research the product. So, where would you find out information in order to find out maybe things like product reviews or durability, or even just locating where your options are to buy this item? How will you critically evaluate the information? So, going back to the slides that we talked about on smart consumer spending, you're looking for, making sure that the reviews are fact based and they're current. And looking at, is the seller a reputable seller and things like that. So that's the kind of information that you're writing right there, whatever applies to your product. And then consider the product options for purchasing this type of product, and then evaluate each of these blanks. Is there the option to buy used or store brand for whatever your item is? What are the advantages and disadvantages of doing each of those things? What are two places that you might purchase that item? Is there an ideal time of year to purchase this product? If so, when? So, like thinking about money specifically, when would be a less expensive time to buy that item? Can money be saved by doing it yourself? Is it available for you to make this item yourself? And if so, what resources would you need to do so? Are there any licenses needed by service providers? So whoever is selling this item to you, did they have to have any kind of licenses to be able to make and or sell that item to you? And are there other options to consider? Like if this item doesn't meet your needs, what item would meet your needs? So that's how you'll fill this out. And then on the second page, looking at what are product features that might need to be considered to research your product, which of those applies to the product that you're looking at, and then identify three features that would matter most to you when you were purchasing this item. So features that are up here or other things. What would be the top three things that you would definitely want to look for or look at to be able to make your decision? And then answer the following question. Is this a durable or a consumable good? That definition was on the slides as well. How will that influence how much time is spent researching the item? And so all that came from one slide on the notes. If you were to purchase this item, what are two considerations you should have when evaluating your spending plan? So that was one of the slides as well, talking about things that you need to consider as far as how purchasing this item is going to affect your other spending. And that's everything. If you need any help, let me know.